Good morning, everyone. So, here we are discussing the advanced operations on data frame. After taking about the statistical aggregate functions in the previous section, in this section we are going to there is the three most advanced function. Number first is pivoting, second is a sorting, and third is a aggregation. So number first is pivoting. What do you mean by a pivoting or a pivot table? Pivoting is one of the techniques in which we can arrange our data in rows and column wise by possibility aggregating data from multiple resources in a report form so that the data can be viewed in different perspectives, or we can say a single data we can represent uh, in multi ways, in multi tables, just like in a rows and columns form. Just understand this with the help of one example. There is a one picture. This is suppose a one table that contain a one picture, and there are the some data. Here is a 10 rows and different values in these rows, and the picture is in the right hand side. So this is the original data of first table. Now after the pivoting, the data is showing in this form. We want to display the picture on the left hand side, and we want to some types of calculations if the numeric data is there. So this is showing there is the two light brown and two dark brown bears. 3 is adult and 1 is cub, and 21 values are the growls and 9 values are the snorts. So the same data we are representing by the pivoting in a different format. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to represent this data in pivoting. So first we will uh, make this data in a data frame, and after that we will pivoting this. So first we have to create this data in data frame. So here we are creating a data frame of this data. So import pandas as pd. D1 is a name of the D1 is the name of the dictionary, and the values of that is tutor. The values of the tutor is Tahira, Gurjot, Anusa, and so on. And the same classes is a 28 classes is there, 36, 41, 32, and 40, and the name of the countries are the. And now we are converting the D1 in data frame. So there is the syntax pd dot data frame, and we are passing the value of d1, so that will be stored as a data frame in dfd. And now we are pivoting a table. So the syntax of pivoting: data frame name, then pivot, and the name of the index. This may be a column index, and the name of the column name. There may be a one column name, two column name, and the values. So just we are writing a one command dft dot pivot. Index we are taking country, and the column we are taking tutor, and the values is class. So after that, this data will be displayed in this format. Index is our is country, so that will be the first column, and column is a second is a tutor, so that will be become a row heading, and third are the values classes, so that will be arranged in the tabular format. Now we can see the Anusa is, there is the 41 classes in Japan. From this table, this data is, that is the Anusa 41 is Japan. Now we can see the same value is displaying in better way in a representation which we want to easy. Second is a, there is a Gurjot, that is the value is a 36 and that is a UK. So this is the Gurjot value is a 36 and UK. And now there are the two tutor that is in the same country, that is the Tahira and second is Tahira and Chekhov. That countries is USA. So the value is displayed in USA, that is a 28 classes. But in case of Vikrant, the value is showing in Vikrant is correct. Tahira and second is a Jacob, so both value is displayed in the current manner.